Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about International Masters Award of Excellence. This award is available in University of Waterloo in Canada, so we can know more about this award. Award is scholarship. International Master Award of Excellence value $2,500 per year for maximum of full-time terms within the available program limit. 6 terms will be awarded to eligible international master students. Normally, the entering a research-based graduate program at University of Waterloo facilities will nominate the eligible student based on faculty's award allocation. Student will be selected based on academic excellence as demonstrated through the application for admission to graduate program. So this is the value, and eligibility is international students who are registered full-time and assessed international tuition fee normally given to students in research-based programs will normally only be given to students entering the first term of their program. Students must demonstrate academic excellence through criteria established by faculty. Students must meet the academic progress requirement of their program and not have outstanding proprietary admission requirements. This award could be addition to the other internal or external scholarships. Normally, students should not be concurrently receive foreign government or agency sponsorships. For example, China scholarship sponsor, Libyan sponsorship. Students' grandparents under the existing IMSA program cannot be nominated for IMAE. Students will automatically consider for this award based on their application for admission. For more information regarding international funding program, please visit here, and this is the program. Yeah, so this is all the eligibility and admission. How we can apply for that program, I will send you link in the description. You can visit these two links. Here you can discuss. You can also contact with the respective department here. For example, if you want to apply for computer science, then you can contact that person here. His email is this one. Yeah, if you have any question related to that program, graduate studies and postdoctoral affairs, and if you will have any question related to graduate studies and postdoctoral studies and International Master Award of Excellence, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to your emails. Thank you so much. I will reply to your comments, queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck. And if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye bye.